I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 hair straightening hacks to make your hair look straight and beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe and click the little bell. That way you will never miss out on another hair video again. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 hair straightening hacks using your hair straightener. And these are really easy. They take like less than 5 minutes. They help your hair look beautiful, tamed, frizz-free, shiny, and put together basically. So if you guys are interested, then let's get started. Before we get started, I get a ton of questions on some of the jewelry that I wear on my channel. So usually I wear crystal bracelets or crystal necklaces, but today I'm wearing a Hamsa hand. Today I'm wearing something that's really special to me. This is a Hamsa hand necklace. Now this is something that was sent to me by a company. The company's name is PlayHardLookDope, and they sent me this and I absolutely love it. I'm not a big fan of gold jewelry, so when they did send it to me, I was like, oh, it's gold, but I just fell in love with it. Gold is a very powerful color in alchemy and law of attraction. Gold attracts a lot. Gold is the color of abundance. Gold is the color to attract things to yourself. So I just fell in love with this, and it's tarnish free. This retails for $50, and there's genuine Austrian crystals in here. The Hamsa hand is a very powerful symbol of protection, and that's why I like to wear it. I like to incorporate it into my life every single day. I actually have a Hamsa hand bracelet that I wear all the time that I got from Mexico of all places. And then when I got this sent to me, it stole my heart. It's so pretty. It just feels really nice and good quality, and I wanted to share it with you guys because this company was nice enough to send it to me. And if you guys are interested in your own Hamsa hand necklace or Hand of Fatima necklace, I will leave it linked down below. Hack number 1 is how to add a ton of volume to your hair without teasing it. So here's what I like to do. Basically, I like to take hair from the crown of my head, and I just like to use my fingers and take chunks of hair. You guys can go in detail with it. You guys can take pieces with a comb or however you feel comfortable, but I like to just take chunks like this, and then I like to just go up, so straighten upwards. And this, you're creating volume, creating a ton of volume. So if you guys can see, it just created such a beautiful lift right there. You guys can definitely see the lift too, and the lift lasts a very long time. I don't ever use hairspray or anything. It just automatically lasts from my hair type alone. So this is a really nice hack because you're not damaging your hair with back combing and teasing it, and this lift is with no product at all. So imagine if you do use hairspray or mousse and then you do this trick, you're gonna get even more volume. Hack number 2, I'm gonna show you guys how to get volume in your bangs or the front facing layers of your face. And this is really important because when you have volume here in the front pieces of your face, it just makes your whole look different. It just, you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show you guys how to get a lot of volume in your front facing layers, whether you have bangs or you don't, or all your hair is one length. This creates a ton of volume in the front pieces of your hair. So what you're gonna do is part your hair how you want it. Now I always like to do mine to the side. I don't have a specific area. I just kind of use my fingers and go through it, and wherever it falls, that's where my part is gonna be. So basically it fell right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a chunk, I'm going to take my thumb and just go into my hair and grab whatever pieces I find, and then I'm gonna bring this to the front like this. Now after I bring it to the front, I'm going to take my curling iron, go as close to my roots as I can without burning my scalp, and then I'm just going to kind of lift it and take it away from my face. So you want to straighten away, up and away from your face, and this is going to create a ton of volume. So you don't have to run it through your hair 3 times like I did. You could just run it once. What I like to do is hold it up a little bit just like this. So as it's drying still up and away from my face. So if you guys can see, this side of my face looks very well put together. It has a really nice lift to it. There's volume on this side. There's no teasing or anything. It's feathery, it's flowy, it's bouncy, it's really nice. And all you needed to do was take that front piece of your hair up and away from your face. And this side, you can see, it's not all that put together. It looks like I just woke up on this side, and this side is just really nice. Hack number 3, I'm going to show you guys how to create feathered layers. Like if you guys have layers in your hair, this is a really easy way to make your layers look even more feathered. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your bangs or the front pieces of your hair, no matter how long it is, and you're going to flip it. So basically when we're straightening our hair, we're going this way, right? But we're not going to do that. We're going to flip it upside down. We're going to take the straightener, go like this, go down, and then we're gonna bring the last end pieces upwards. And if you guys can see how it made that little curl at the end, don't worry if it's too tight because it will loosen up. But basically, you're going to take like the front pieces of your hair, you're going to flip the curling iron upside down and bring the ends up like that. Now, if you guys can see that feathered look right there, that's all it took, is you flipping your straightening iron the other way, bringing it down and curling it upwards. I hope that made sense, but I want to show you guys the curls that it makes. It made such like a feathered, layered look, and it just looks like you spent a lot of time like doing your hair, but in reality, it took you like less than a minute. Hack number 4. Now, if you guys want natural volume up top, but you don't have a lot of time, but you still want to be looking put together, this is a trick that I like to do. Is basically, I will not touch the front part of my hair. I will not touch the area around my roots. What I will do is I will just go in and I will just straighten up the ends of my hair. That's it. What this does is it keeps the volume on the top of your hair, but at the same time it makes the rest of your hair look straight and just nice and like presentable when you're going somewhere, but you don't have time to like do all of your hair. This is a really, really neat trick. Is basically you just want to run the straightener through the ends of your hair only. And as you guys can see, like the top part is basically already straight, and or like already the top part is voluminous and a little bit straight, but you can run your straightener through the ends just to make everything look a little bit neater, more polished, frizz-free, shiny, and you look put together. And it took you like less than 5 minutes. Basically, I just want to show you guys really quickly the difference between my hair, the side that I didn't even touch, and then the side that I just straightened the ends. I kind of feathered out the layers a little bit right here because I think it looks really nice with the way that my hair is cut. Which, by the way, if you guys are interested in how to cut your hair in the layers that I have a tutorial on my channel, and I'll leave it linked down below. But it's really, really easy, and I'm going to have an updated hair cutting video coming really soon. So stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And like the side that I straightened just the ends only, it looks a little bit more tame, frizz-free. It looks neater, polished. It just makes my whole look, my whole face and everything just look more put together and just more presentable. And hack number 5 is something that I've been using for years, and it's aloe vera. So I like to use aloe vera as a heat protectant. It's helped my hair so much. I feel like for my hair, it's the best way to protect it from the heat. And not only that, but it moisturizes my hair. It really helps with all the damage and the dryness, and just brings my color out really beautifully. I don't have the aloe vera with me right now. I just ran out because if you guys follow me on my channel, I have a video on my channel where I cut the aloe vera. I have an aloe vera plant, so what I do is I cut the leaf into little pieces and then I freeze it so that I can have it year round whenever I need it. And so what I do when I straighten my hair is I take 1 or 2 of the frozen chunks out, and then I like to run it over my hair. And then as soon as that dries up a little bit, then I like to take the straightener and straighten the ends of my hair. I find that this puts a lot of moisture back into my hair after I put heat on it, and there's a lot less damage, and it's natural. Not to mention, it leaves behind a really, really beautiful shine. Anyways, these are 5 hair straightening hacks that I like to use whenever I straighten my hair. It makes my hair look so nice and put together, and I get a lot of questions asked about how I do my hair. I decided to show you guys a little bit of my hair straightening secrets that I use all the time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to browse my channel because I have so many hair videos for you guys, and I have a ton more coming out. And if you guys have any requests, then leave them down below. But I would appreciate if you guys subscribed and click the little bell, because if you click the bell, then you get notified of my new videos. And if you don't click the bell, then you might not get notified if I upload a new video. So you might be missing out on some really helpful content on hair, beauty, spiritual, like We have a ton of fun on my channel, so make sure that you're subscribed, make sure you click the bell so you're notified, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!